Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Santos and this is my presentation on 3D printers. So what are 3D printers? 3D printers is a technology that uses an additive manufacturing process where a three-dimensional object can be created from a digital file that is uploaded from the computer. And these three-dimensional objects can come in various forms depending on what the creator created in the digital file. And they have multiple additive techniques such as stereolithography, which was first done in 1980. And stereolithography uses a vat of liquid and a UV laser to build parts one layer at a time. And selective laser sintering can be used by using a high power laser, such as a carbon dioxide laser, to fuse small particles of either plastic, metal, ceramic, glass powders, etc. into mass that has a desired three-dimensional shape. And usually during this process, it develops through develops through one layer at a time until the object is fully complete. Therefore, depending on the size of the object, it can take multiple hours to complete. As for the materials used for 3D printing, fuse deposition modeling as well as fuse filament fabrication are mainly used for prototyping, modeling, and production applications. Both FDM and FFF printers use filament reels of either ABS or PLA, which both can be malleable when heated to a certain temperature. And PLA is biodegradable and ABS is oil-based. So just to show you guys the process of 3D printing, I've looked up a time lapse of 3D printing. This person did a 3D printed baby Groot, so I just wanted to show that briefly, just to get you guys the idea of 3D printing. So as you saw in the video, the baby Groot was created going one layer at a time, and it slowly built higher until the whole object was created. And you saw a sneak peek of or a quick scene of the reel of the, I think, PLA or ABS, depending on which one that person used, and you saw how it reeled down and slowly became that baby Groot. So moving on into the applications and benefits of 3D printing. In terms of applications, 3D printing can be used for prototyping, modeling, research, custom parts, and design. And the benefits of this is that they can satisfy intricate designs, just like what you saw with the baby Groot. And 3D printing can create replacement parts, as well as produces less waste and prevents the use of harmful chemicals. As for my own interest in 3D printing, I was first interested in the process of creating that digital file that can be uploaded from your computer to the 3D printer. I've had some experience before in high school when I took an engineering class, and there was one segment of the class where we got to create our own three-dimensional object, and that would be uploaded into the 3D printer. I'm also interested in how 3D printers can apply in a medical scenario, and the benefits to that. I've done some research on 3D printed prosthetics, such as a leg, hand, arm, jaw, dentures, etc. And I just wanted to know sort of how this benefits other people in terms of their health and financially. I was also interested in the 4D printing process. There was a video linked in the lecture, and they described it as a self-folding origami, and I thought that was pretty cool. And I was also interested in the challenges in 3D printing, such as 3D printed firearms and their capabilities, and if they actually work. And last but not least, accessible 3D printers near me. To my knowledge and doing some research, I found that the South San Francisco Public Library has a 3D printer. And from previous experience, I also put down my previous high school, St. Ignatius College Preparatory, which they had a 3D printer that I used during one of my engineering classes. And that's it for my presentation. Thank you for watching.